Hi guys, so I'm down in Johnson Perrott Motors on Douglas Road and I'm here. We're going to go through my Grandland. I'm handing it back. Woo! But I'll be going into something new in the next couple of weeks, so keep an eye out. They haven't told me yet what I'm getting. Do you know?
No, surprise.
It's a surprise, but I wanted to kind of end this one on a little bit more of a review about the vehicle. But first we're going to go through like top tips of, you know, checking your car for oil, tire pressure, things that like you might want to get your nails messy with, but we'll have to do it anyway. And we've got the best man here to do so.
Thank you very much.
So I'm going to ask you, so tell me some things how I would keep my car, you know, check for things. What's the best tips you can give us?
The most important thing anyways, if you're travelling, which you will be this weekend, so always check your oil and water.
Okay.
Have a look at your tyres and check your tyre pressures, and I'm going to take you through some of that now, if that's okay.
And where is this oil and water? Where would I go?
Oil and water, we're going to come to the bonnet here, your bonnet pull there, we've released already inside, and we've got a clip here that we're going to just press, and it's going to open your bonnet.
Ooh.
Bonnet rod here.
Okay, up we
We're going
go.
to put it in there, look, and you can see the arrow there marking it clearly for you.
Okay.
Anything that you're going to be concerned with there is generally very well marked.
Okay.
People are very good at that kind of thing. So your windscreen washer fluid is going to go in here.
Will there be like a thing come up in the dash about that, or do I have to kind of?
Yes, there's a level sensor inside to indicate if your oil level is
Okay.
low, but it's always good practice to always check it manually.
I'm good
as
at the
well.
oil checking. I'm good at the oil checking.
very good in
I haven't
servicing.
checked this oil, but I know it's here.
You've been very
I
good.
know it's here. Yay! This is exactly. Is it in
That's
here
it.
yet?
Yeah,
That's.
so we'll take that out.
I
there
do
now.
actually know this.
Okay.
This is good oil.
Now we're going to just clean your dipstick here,
Dipstick. That's a
Okay.
lovely name.
and you've got an upper and a lower mark on that dipstick.
Okay, so we go
They're
back
clearly
in and
marked.
do the old dipsticking. Jesus, I break it. And out we go, and we see that we have.
Oil level is absolutely perfect.
Perfect,
It's
so I'm-
right in between the two marks, which is exactly where it should be.
Oh jeez. Okay, so that's the oil.
That's your oil.
Now I know where I always get confused between this thing and the water.
And the water is here.
Yeah. So
And the most important thing, and it's very important, if you're checking your water, it's always best to do it when the vehicle is cold. If you open this cap when it's hot, you could burn yourself, so just be mindful of that.
okay, so that's a no when it's hot. Okay, okay. And do I ever need to go near this one here? No.
This is for topping the oil and this is for filling it.
If the okay.
level is low, but
Okay.
it's not in this case, it's absolutely
Get the
perfect.
husband to do that one. Don't want to get messy.
You're well able to do it yourself, I'm sure. The ladies are generally better at these
Well,
things
do you know
anyway.
what? I actually have changed the tyre myself. Truth be told, I'm quite thrifty at the car thing, but a lot of my friends aren't, so I thought maybe some people aren't, so it's good to share, men and women, you know?
Absolutely. Your tyre pressures, if I could just walk you around.
Is this the old-fashioned kick the tyre trick?
It's
No?
slightly effective, but not completely.
Okay.
So we'll go for the accurate method. And if we open the door here, as you can see, again, very clearly labelled on the door, you can see what your tyre pressures should be.
Oh, I never knew this was here.
So
Okay, fab,
it's
yeah.
very handy, brilliant information. 2.1, 2.2 in the back.
Okay,
And again, very much load dependent, but I know you're already travelling with yourself and daughter and husband for the
Yeah.
weekend. And we'll filter the valve here that's on the wheel.
and that's it.
2.2 bar pressure.
So that's kind of the main features you kind of need to, if you're going on a long journey, you want to look out for safety-wise.
Always check your oil and water, check your levels. It's a good idea to check your lights as well if you're going to be travelling overnight.
Okay.
But I know you're very safety conscious anyway, and you're very good to do those things. We can see that clearly every time the car comes in. It's always in
Okay.
great condition.
Oh, listen, I'm getting a gold star here. So those are your safety tips on if you're going on a journey or in general to check your car. The lovely Ken helped us out. Thank you so much, Ken.
No problem at
You're
all,
the
anytime
best.
at all.
And he said he's given me a gold star because he knows I look after the car. He sees it when it comes back. Yeah.
We do, and it's always in great condition.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Bye.